Imagine a place where the vineyards roll into the horizon, where Renaissance art sparks inspiration, and where the food is simply divine. This place exists, and it's called Tuscany, a region steeped in rich history, vibrant culture, and unsurpassed natural beauty. Tuscany stands proud, hosting more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other region worldwide. From sun-kissed landscapes to architectural marvels, every corner of Tuscany tells a unique story. So, buckle up as we dive in to explore the top 10 destinations in this Italian paradise. Welcome to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Steeped in history, Florence is more than just a city. It's a testament to mankind's unquenchable thirst for knowledge and beauty. As the heart of the Renaissance, Florence played an instrumental role in shaping our world. It was here that great minds like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo honed their craft, forever changing the course of art and culture. Today, the city is a treasure trove of wonders. From the iconic Duomo with its mesmerizing red dome to the Uffizi Gallery, home to an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art. Wander through the cobblestone streets and you'll find yourself immersed in a world of architectural marvels, each building a silent narrator of the city's illustrious past. And let's not forget the cuisine. From hearty ribollita soup to the world-renowned Florentine steak, every meal is a celebration of Tuscan tradition. Truly, Florence is a feast for the senses. Next stop, Pisa, famous for more than just its leaning tower. Tucked away in the heart of Tuscany, Pisa is a city steeped in history and tradition. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, creating a unique blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. The city's roots stretch back to ancient times, its rich tapestry woven from centuries of political, cultural, and architectural evolution. But Pisa is not just a historical relic, it's a bustling hub of academic life, home to one of Italy's most prestigious universities. The city pulses with the energy of its student population, its streets filled with lively cafes, bustling bookshops, and vibrant nightlife. Beyond the Leaning Tower, Pisa offers a wealth of attractions. The captivating Piazza dei Miracoli, the awe-inspiring Duomo, and the tranquil banks of the River Arno are just a few highlights waiting to be discovered. In Pisa, every corner tells a story. Step back in time with Siena, a perfectly preserved medieval city. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Siena is a treasure trove of historical wonders. Imagine walking down its winding cobblestone streets, lined with charming old buildings, each with a story to tell. Siena's rich history dates back to the Etruscan era, but it truly flourished during the Middle Ages. It was a time when Siena rivaled Florence in arts, culture, and economic power. This rivalry is still palpable today, especially in the city's unique horse race tradition, the Palio. Twice a year, the city's 17 districts compete in a thrilling bareback horse race around the stunning Piazza del Campo, the heart of Siena. But what truly sets Siena apart is its stunning architecture. From the iconic Siena Cathedral, a masterpiece of Italian Romanesque Gothic architecture, to the Torre del Mangia, offering breathtaking views of the city, Siena is a testament to architectural grandeur. Siena, where the past comes alive. Immerse yourself in the Chianti region, the heart of Tuscan wine country. This place is a dream come true for enophiles, boasting world-renowned wineries as far as the eye can see. Each winery tells a story of tradition and passion, producing some of the finest wines that Italy has to offer. Imagine savoring a glass of robust Chianti Classico as you learn about the centuries-old techniques that go into every bottle. But it's not just about the wine. The Chianti region is a tapestry of picturesque landscapes that seem straight out of a Renaissance painting. Rolling hills adorned with vineyards, olive groves, and cypress trees create a tranquil setting that invites relaxation and reflection. Furthermore, scattered throughout the region are charming villages where you can experience the authentic Tuscan lifestyle. Here, life moves at a leisurely pace, and the warmth of the locals is as inviting as a glass of their finest vintage. In Chianti, life is as sweet as its wines. Discover Lucca, the city of 100 churches. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Lucca is a sanctuary of religious history, a testament to the faith and devotion woven into Italy's cultural tapestry. Each church tells a tale, their ancient stones whispering stories of devotion, artistry, and time-honored traditions. But Lucca is not just a city frozen in time. Encircled by well-preserved Renaissance walls, this city has evolved while maintaining reverence for its past. Today, these walls serve as a beloved pedestrian promenade, a place where locals and visitors alike can take a leisurely stroll and absorb the city's timeless charm. Music, too, is an integral part of Lucca's identity. It resonates in the city's cobbled streets, echoes in its grand churches, and pulses in its lively festivals. From classical to pop, Lucca's music scene is as diverse as it is vibrant, making it a paradise for music lovers. Lucca, where history and culture harmonize. Welcome to San Gimignano, the medieval Manhattan. Rising from the Tuscan hills, this medieval town boasts an unforgettable skyline, a testament to its rich history. Its 14 preserved towers soar into the sky, reminiscent of the skyscrapers of modern Manhattan, hence the nickname. These towers, built by rival families during the Middle Ages, served as status symbols and safe havens during times of conflict. Today, they stand as silent sentinels, offering a glimpse into the town's turbulent past. San Gimignano is not just about its towers, though. It's also home to the world champion gelato, a treat that is a must-try for any visitor. This isn't your average ice cream, it's a creamy, velvety delight that is as rich in flavor as the town is in history. So take a stroll down the cobblestone streets, enjoy the stunning views, and savor the sweet taste of gelato. San Gimignano, where old-world charm meets modern delights. Next, we visit Montepulciano, the jewel of the 16th century. This Tuscan town is like a time capsule, holding on to its Renaissance charm with a vice-like grip. The architecture here is a treasure trove of history, with buildings that serve as timeless relics of a bygone era. Each structure tells a story, revealing the town's rich past and its deep-rooted connection to the Italian Renaissance. But Montepulciano is not just about the past, it's also famous for its wines, particularly the Vino Nobile, which has been aged to perfection in the town's ancient cellars. This ruby red wine is a sensory journey, offering a taste of the region's rich terroir. The town is also blessed with spectacular views. Perched high atop a hill, it offers panoramic vistas of the Tuscan countryside with its rolling hills, lush vineyards, and picturesque olive groves. Montepulciano, a place of beauty and bounty. Discover Pienza, the ideal city of Renaissance. Conceived as a utopian dream by Pope Pius II, Pienza is a testament to the grandeur of the Renaissance period. Pienza was transformed from a sleepy hamlet into an architectural gem, reflecting the humanist ideals of the 15th century. The town's layout, with its harmonious blend of public and private spaces, breaks away from the chaotic medieval city planning. The central piazza is flanked by the cathedral and 3 palaces, each standing as a testament to the grand ideals of the Renaissance. But Pienza's charm does not end with its architecture. As the scent of sheep's milk wafts through the streets, one is reminded of Pienza's world-renowned pecorino cheese. This delicacy, with its distinct flavor and aroma, is a culinary embodiment of the town's rich heritage. Pienza, a picturesque town that exudes the charm of the Renaissance. This idyllic city is a captivating blend of history, architecture, and gastronomic delights waiting to be discovered. Bask in the beauty of 𝗣𝗲𝗀, a UNESCO World Heritage landscape. Picture rolling hills, verdant vineyards, and cypress trees standing tall against the cerulean sky. This is 𝗣𝗲𝗀, a region so picturesque it's as if it leapt out of a Renaissance painting. The region's stunning landscapes have been capturing hearts for centuries, from the Etruscans and Romans to today's travelers. It's not just the natural beauty that captivates, though. 𝗣𝗲𝗀 is a testament to how humans can enhance nature, with carefully cultivated vineyards, olive groves, and wheat fields that create a harmony of colors throughout the seasons. But its beauty is not its only claim to fame. 𝗣𝗲𝗀 has inspired countless artists with its sublime landscapes, resulting in masterpieces that have shaped our understanding of landscape art. It's a place where every vista tells a story, where every winding path leads to a new discovery. 𝗣𝗲𝗀, where nature paints the perfect picture. Last but not least, we visit Versilia, the glamorous seaside. Nestled in the northern part of Tuscany, Versilia is an embodiment of the Italian la dolce vita, the sweet life. Its golden sandy beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, kissed by the warm Mediterranean sun. But Versilia is not just about daytime lounging. As the sun sets, the region transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. From beachside bars to exclusive clubs, the rhythm of Versilia keeps beating long after the sun has set. Yet Versilia's allure extends beyond its beaches and nightlife. It's a region rich in cultural attractions. Marvel at the enchanting sculptures in the town of Pietrasanta, often referred to as Little Athens, or visit the annual Puccini Festival, a homage to the world-renowned composer who once called this place home. Versilia, where the good life meets the sea. And there you have it, the top 10 destinations in Tuscany. We've journeyed from the vibrant art scene of Florence, through the medieval towers of San Gimignano to the charming streets of Lucca. We've experienced the wine lover's paradise of Chianti and admired the breathtaking landscapes of 𝗣𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃. We've also soaked in the glamour of Versilia's seaside, each place a unique facet of Tuscany's rich tapestry. Thank you for joining us on this Tuscan adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos from Unveiled Destinations. Until next time, arrivederci.